It is currently like 6:23 and I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I'm trying to make it there by 6:30, leave the gym by 7:30, be back here and wrap some stuff up at home, get Gabby on the bus, and then go to work. So yeah, y'all gonna see my daily routine from now on up until I actually get my surgery, because I'm trying to get to a goal weight. I want to look snatched when I get snatched, and Hassan snatches everything, so it's not like I need to be at this big old weight to get this big old booty. Like, he don't play. Like, when he harvests the fat, he harvests it, and I don't want anything extra. I don't want anything to look, nah. Follow me. back home, go get in the shower, tell Gabby to get up so she can get ready. Catch her bus at like 8:20. It's 8:34 right now. So yeah. That was something. Today was pretty much my first day getting into this routine, which y'all can tell by the caption I just said, my new daily routine, because y'all, I am tired. Like, that really took a lot out of me. I didn't eat breakfast before I left. I try not to eat before I go most of the time when I go work out, because that stuff out of my stomach. And the SSS tonic, I should have ate something before I took that, but I wanted to get everything out the way. I gotta go wash my hands, and we're about to eat an apple. I'm getting used so very, very soon, because this one, the one in the middle, hurts so dang gone bad. I done hit it on something. I don't know right now, but this junk burn, and I know it's lifting because it burned. I'm gonna see if Gabby, most of the time she wanna eat breakfast at school to congregate, I guess. I'm gonna ask her, do she want me to make her anything? I know I'm about to give you this apple. You didn't brush your teeth, wash your face, nothing, put some lotion on your face. You know, Spartacus was right. Goddamn, apple give you some energy. As soon as I ate this apple, as soon as I started eating this apple, I felt 100 times better. For real. Apple's got superpowers. Apple's got real superpowers, y'all. I just did not have no type of energy. Ain't no light in here. The lighting is terrible. Okay. Y'all, I look a mess. I look a whole mess. But I'm gonna fix my hair and stuff before I go to work, obviously. My son said he wants some damn noodles for breakfast. He don't want no breakfast food now. And then Gabby said she wants some honey smacks. Y'all remember these? Boy. After I do that, we about to go check our weight, and then I'm gonna close this video out. So this is gonna be like a daily like workout vlog pretty much. So I'm gonna be working out Monday, Tuesday, not Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and then have the weekend off. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this kitchen before we go. Alright, y'all. Let me show y'all. I got some clothes on too, by the way. So I don't know if this is gonna be the real deal or not. So my goal is to get to 127 or 130. If I could stay at 130 or 127, that would be good. Don't mind my basket of clothes, y'all. Yeah, peace. I'm gonna close this video out. I'm about to go to work. So that is my daily routine, y'all. I'm be doing that 4 days out the week. And we're gonna see what happens in about 2 months.